What's up, guys? Welcome back to ET Outdoors. I'm Kai Burkett, and today I'm just going to go ahead and give you a little update on the animals in my garden. So first thing, I'm going to go ahead and water my plants. So I just finished up watering the pepper plants. So now I'm going to go ahead and feed the ducks and the pig. And their water needs cleaned out, so I'm going to go ahead and do that too. So now that it's pretty well cleaned out, I'm just filling it back up. Now heading inside here, just give you a quick look at the turkey eggs. It's day 13, 15 more days till they'll hatch. The temperature is currently 37.7 degrees Celsius and 56% humidity. So I'm now downstairs in my room. I'm going to show you the fish. I actually changed up what fish I had in the tanks, so I'll go ahead and show you that. The 55-gallon tank now just has my small bass and the 2 crayfish. And then this tank, my 29, I go every week and get bait, feed my fish. So I just got a ½ pound of shiners today. And then my 125 gallon still has the bluegill, but it now also has the larger bass that was in my outside pond. So I'll go ahead and show you me feeding them. So this is my small bass in the 55-gallon tank. So I'm now at my 125-gallon tank. I'm going to be feeding the bluegill and the largemouth bass. That's it for today's video, guys. If you liked the video, click the like button down below, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Thanks for watching. See you next time.